What's up? Welcome back to another video and review into Hustle World. And today we got a watch face more so for the ladies than it is for the guys. But guys, if you like this one, then by all means download it. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Not a bad look. Now this is the free version of this watch face. They got a paid version. With the paid version, you're going to get more background themes than you will with the freebie. Cool? Now the name of the watch face is called Love Galaxy Free. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time, not a bad look at all. And when the watch face is on, of course, you get this cute, cuddly teddy bear right here with the heart. You're going to get your digital time right there with a PM stamp, your date down at the bottom, your battery percentage. And you can do this. Double tap, and it changed to another theme. I thought that wasn't a bad theme at all. And then, of course, it's going to let you know more backgrounds in the premium version. So for a free watch face thus far, you can test drive it. If you like it, get the paid version. All right, you all, that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.